mama manatee and baby manatee, and Jesus, there's like 4 or 5 of them down here. The manatee tribe is here. I see 4 of them. These are the ones who have the large marks. Spacing of the marks and the size of them says about at least 40 feet long. Probably an oil barge. There's the little one and the mama. I've seen these marks before. See how fast that one took off when he heard my voice? Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them. There's another baby. There's a baby there. There's a mama and a baby here. That propeller mark there did come from a small outboard motor. As you can see, the marks are about 3 inches apart. Also looks like at that size, the boat was probably going idle speed or close to it. Yeah, they've looks like they got into a barge or something. They've all got marks. There's 2 of them. There's a baby one down here. There's a baby one. There's an adult there.
There's an adult
baby here with the baby. There's 2 babies here. There's a baby here and the adult, and there's the other ones. Yeah, went under the dock, and then there was another one that took off out there. Yeah, another one took off out towards the canal when he heard my voice. Yeah, there we go. They were eating the grass that our yard guys didn't cut. Yeah, they'll cut it. And they're headed under the dock with the catfish. Let's see where they go.
Probably on the other side. Oh, there they are.
Yeah, they're under the boat.
Cool. Oh, there's the baby.
Better light over here.
Yeah,
I know. There's 2 adults there, and the catfish. The catfish is the 2 adults, and one of the babies there, I think. Yeah, there's the mom and the baby. Where's that other adult? Down below. Right there. Yeah, my yard guys didn't get that, so these guys are. Our guys usually come on Saturday. I don't know where they've been. It's all right.
Wow, that bunch needs to come down and chill, Robin.
But that bunch.
Was it right there?
Yeah, there's 3 of them right here.
Really rubbing on the...
No, he's eating all the stuff. The yard guys didn't come yet, and he's eating everything that was hanging over the seawall.
Cool.
That big one got up there, and I mean,
Yes.
he cleaned the seawall. You know, it was hanging down at least 8 inches.
You should
We
pull
wolfed
it and
all
throw
down.
it in.
That's not legal. That's a felony. There's one of the babies and the adults. The adult and the other two.
Oh, right here, they're coming along. Here it is.
Yeah, they're right here under the dock.
That's the llama.
Mm-hmm.
The baby behind it.
Where's the baby? Don't see the baby. The baby's probably under the mama.
I don't know. She's pretty. Oh, he may be. Baby could be back there for all I know.
No, he'll stick pretty close to mama.
Oh, that's a big
There
one.
they are, yeah.